Hey, so you want to know my results from the October YouTube challenge? So for those of you who know, I actually challenged myself to do a video a day in October. I know, right? Pretty crazy. But I actually did it. I did one video a day, uploaded it to YouTube in October, and I'm gonna share the results with you in my analytics, and I'm gonna show you how it was a pretty busy month, you know, working, editing. Some days I had to work and edit over the weekend, which was pretty crazy. And one day I had to like upload and it was like 11:40 at night, and it was just before like the time off, but it was super cool to be able to do this challenge. And I'm gonna show you how much I got, because it's crazy how much more views I got, more subscribers, and even more revenue from ads just by doing this challenge. And one of the reasons why I wanted to challenge myself is sometimes you might feel like you're in your comfort zone or you're not seeing enough results. So it's really good to put that pressure on yourself by challenging yourself to do that bit extra, you know, maybe do a daily upload for a month and test it out and see how much results you can get. Yes, it will be time consuming, it'll take a lot of effort, but at the end of the day, you're going to see the results, and I'm going to show you how much results I actually got. And it's going to make you feel better, feel more confident. And then after that, you could just go back to, you know, your normal routine, or you could maybe do another challenge or something similar. So I think it's just a great idea to, you know, challenge yourself if you really want to grow on YouTube. So there was so much editing, so I'm going to quickly show you some snippets from some of the days when I was editing and doing some work and see my thoughts on that day, but I'll just put it through now. So look, it's day 2. I've uploaded a video, so I'm super happy about that. But look, I've got the whole month left over. I'm super energized about it, so I'm okay for the month, and I got the momentum already started, which is really good. But tomorrow's Saturday, and I'm gonna have to start to plan out the rest of the videos. So that's what I'm gonna be doing tomorrow, planning out, going into my archives and seeing what other videos I have that I can start to create and edit to put on YouTube. So it's so far so good, and just gonna make sure I'm, you know, doing the work and putting in the effort. And it's gonna be a long month, but I'm super excited for it. Look, it's Saturday, I'm awake. I slept in a little bit, but that's totally fine. I grabbed my coffee, pretty good. We got this like coffee shop down the road, which is like super nice. Got an iced coffee today. It's kind of hot in Sydney, but that's good. So day 3, I have some videos planned. I have to start planning out some more videos and then do some editing. And I'm gonna try and do a batch. You know, batching is really good, especially if you're a YouTuber. You don't want to try and do one by one. You want to sort of do like maybe 5 videos in a day, you know, edit and then record. So you don't have to feel stressed trying to upload, you know, every week. But when you have that batching process and system, it just makes things a lot easier. So you can have that buffer of a month or a few weeks. But yeah, that's just a general tip if you want to be a YouTube creator. That's what I've learned so far. So I'm gonna get back to work, and I'm gonna check back with you next time. So it's day 26, and I haven't done my videos for the week. I've got about 6 days left. Last week was pretty good because I did a batch around Monday, Tuesday. So I was set for the whole week. And this weekend I was kind of bludging. I was playing a bit of No Man's Sky, which is pretty cool. But I need to make sure that I've got videos for this week now. So today I'm rushing to get some done. Went out to the city with my wife. We're doing a photo shoot and stuff this afternoon. So I had to sort of rush back, and it's like 8 o'clock or like almost 9 o'clock now. So I need to get some videos done. Overall, the last few weeks have been pretty fun. I've been enjoying doing the videos, and I've realized that my editing has gone a lot faster, which is pretty cool. And my results overall, I've been, you know, monitoring it every week, every day. It's been pretty good. Seen a lot of increase in views and even revenue, which has been really great. And yeah, super excited to finalize this month and finally see what are the results. But yeah, I've had like clarity. I've been enjoying the whole process. It has been some days where it's a bit tiring because, you know, I have to sit down and do the editing. But once I get into the flow and the momentum, I kind of ease into it, and it becomes a little bit easier. So yeah, overall it's been really, really cool. So day 26, got to get back into it. Just doing a video now, and I got to upload it for tonight. But yeah, super excited, and the challenge has been going great. And so let's see the results here from October. I've selected the month of October, and let's just go of the overview. So you can see here in the back end, you can see my views went up by 22%. That's 107,000. My watch time went up by 20%. Subscribers was still seeing steady growth. It wasn't that much of an increase, but I felt like there was. And then my revenue went up by 24%, which is crazy. And you can see I have over 100,000 views for that month, which is crazy. So if I go to the reach, so impressions actually went up here by 14%. Click-through rate was sort of similar. The views, 107,000. So that's really good to see. And then unique viewers as well. So that's really good. That's like new people coming to my channel that haven't seen it before. So I feel like that's really strong. Engagement, watch time is always good to get. View duration went down by 2%. That's all right. But yeah, watch time is really good. Just means it means people watching my videos. You can see some of the top performing videos here. That was really good. And then audience, once again, the unique viewers here. So you can see the subscriber bell notifications. You can see it's sort of, I feel like this is a decent number, but over time, like it's going to grow. So I feel like the more you upload, it's going to be way better. And then revenue went crazy. If you see down here, you can see October 565. So like over $100 increase from September compared to like August. So you can see the increase there for the revenue sources. Which I feel like is really cool. You can see one of my top video here, this background removing one, $82, which is super amazing. Now, if I just go over here to compare the month between October and September, you actually see the difference. So October is the blue one. You can see how the waves, it's actually going higher like this, as you can see. And if I scroll down, you can compare 107,000 views to 87,000. So that's a great increase. And not only that, but I've increased my confidence, my workflow, my templates, and a whole bunch of things. Let's just compare it to like the last 90 days. So you can see the views there, and this was October in the blue one. Ultimately, it's been really cool. And I can also look at other different things. You can see the traffic source. A lot of things were coming from YouTube search, and then external, probably from my Instagram. So that is really good. If I go to revenue source, you can see in a bar graph the difference there, which is interesting. But obviously, over 90 days, but this 1 month generated this much, which is like a fair bit, because all these months together, 90 days produced a lot. If I just go back to September, you can see the difference there. So it's pretty significant. I feel like that's cool. Let's go subscription source. So YouTube watch page, that's good. So YouTube is suggesting the content there, and I think that's really key. So that's overall the results. I'm very happy with the results. I think it's amazing, and to see that, like, it's really worth it putting in the effort, and I just think it's like super cool. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope this encourages you to actually do a YouTube challenge yourself, or even just upload more to YouTube, because there is results. You can have impact, and you can grow your personal brand as a designer or a creative or just a person who's a content creator. So thanks so much. Remember to smash the like button and smash the subscribe button to get more weekly design content. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll talk to you soon.